Hi, my name is Debbie Holden, and the reason I decided to do the 10X Quest is because as a 57-year-old woman, I had some flabby arms. Not anymore. That's right, that is muscle. There's some definition here as well. It's kind of hard to see. But the reason I did it was because people said to me, oh, you're 57, you're never going to be able to get muscles now. And I did not believe them. I knew that I could make muscles and I can do that. So I've done 24 weeks of 10X now. My body essentially has not changed. However, all my measurements, even though they're the same, I have muscles. I can see them. I can feel them. There's not just nothing and flabby skin there anymore. It is solid muscle. I am planning to be sexy in 60. I'm giving it the 3-year plan. And I know that when I'm 60, I'm going to be ripped. I'm already seeing the results. I can't wait for the gyms to open because I feel that the bands are a little bit hard to judge because you move where you place the bands so that they're more difficult each time you do it. But the results are amazing. And the thing that I love about it the most is I know exactly what to do. I go in, whether it's the basement or if I'm doing weights in my basement or if I go to the gym, I know exactly what to do. It takes me no time at all, sort of about 15 minutes, 20 when I do my isolation exercises. And I feel great afterwards. And I know that I am growing muscle. And so it feels really good to me. And if you look at my pictures on my back, one of my shoulders was dropped when I started the program. I didn't even realize, and now they're even. I have some neck muscles. My back is getting, if you look at my back, you can see under my bra line that it's more condensed. And so it's difficult to see unless you're me, and I can totally see my butt is lifted. Sorry, but definitely there are results here, and I'm so excited to be carrying on forever. And I would love to be chosen to get some more specific plans from the people who, Ronan and Lorenzo, who actually created it. I love the program. I am a full believer, and I will be doing 10X forever. I love you all so much. Thank you. Hope you pick me. Bye.